Alright, hey guys, my name is Brandon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find the area of a segment in a circle. So, just a quick disclaimer before I start. This is all my measurements that I used in my operations, or these, not this. So, I know you might be saying to me, Brandon, what is a segment? The divulging that is basically a segment is a space or area of not necessarily of a sector, but can be in a sector that is subtended by a chord enclosing it between the chord and the associated arc. So for my segment right here, I have this as my arc and this 10 centimeter line as my chord. That is it. For my radius, I found it to be 6 centimeters. And for the giant, for this big thing that you might be seeing that looks like a pizza slice, that is known as my sector. And for my sector, I have it as 120 degrees. And I know you might be saying, so Brandon, how do I find the area of the segment? This is the formula. In not written out, but it is a formula that, or this is the diagram, not the formula, the diagram that I have drawn out for you guys so that you can see it. So basically, why I even brought up the sector earlier is because that plays a crucial role, as well as this triangle right here. This triangle, they both play a crucial role in finding the area. So as you know, the area of something is basically how much space that it takes up. Um, how much cubic space that it takes up. So the sector is the entire space that is being used right here, that 120 degrees. Yeah. Touching from this end of the circle, this end of the circle, covering everything inside it, the circle enclosed by that arc. But to find the area of the segment, I would have to take out the triangle, because the triangle is basically the only thing that is there that is like remaining for us to see that, okay, that is the only thing that wouldn't be a part of our segment, because it is cut off by it. Is the triangle itself actually is formed by the chord, which also makes, or excuse me guys, excuse me for this cough. The chord itself is basically like a halfway point between the sector and the triangle. So we subtract the triangle from the sector to get our segment. So I'll be showing you my calculations right now. Alright, so for my first two calculations, I found the sector area and the triangle area. For the sector area, um, I'm very sorry about this. I use the formula A over 360 degrees, multiplying pi r square, which is, as you know, is the formula to find the circumference of the circle. So what I have it set up as is A being 120 degrees, because that is basically the range in degrees that the sector takes up. And my R, which is my radius, is 6 centimeters. And for this equation, I will be using 3.14 as pi. So I set it up as 1/3 multiplying 18.84 squared, giving me, oh, that should be centimeters as well, my bad. 18.84 squared multiplied by 1/3, giving me 38 centimeters squared. And for the area of my triangle, I used the formula half AB sine C instead of half base times height. because I really couldn't find like a proper um I could not find a proper height for it. So I had to basically like, use that science C. So A equals 6 centimeters and B equals 6 centimeters. They're both the radius. Because I'm using the big triangle instead of a right angle triangle. C equals 120 degrees. So half of 6 times 6 sine 120 degrees is 16 centimeters. So now I take this away from this, which would give me my area, my area of the segment, which I have as ASE subtracted from AT. ASG equals ASG being the area of the segment, ASE being the area of the sector, and AT being the area of the triangle. So I have it set up as 38 centimeters squared, subtracted from 16 centimeters squared, and the area of my segment is 38 centimeters squared. I'm just repeating myself, sorry about that. And the area of my segment is 22 centimeters squared. So in all of this, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but I have it shaded out here. But all of this is 22 centimeters squared. Guys, I'm sorry for the lengthy video, and I hope you learned something today from me. I hope that you were able to pick up something from this video, and hopefully I will see you next time.